Welcome to the 8th week of the Quality Management course. Click on the Weekly Modules Content area to begin. Next, select Module 8 Designing Organizations for Performance Excellence folder. As always, we begin with the learning objectives. Next, we have the assignment summary, which is to review this video, read Chapter 7, and review the Chapter 7 PowerPoint presentation. The assignments you have for this week are the peer-to-peer discussion organizational structure and the Chapter 7 quiz. Next is the Instructional Content folder, which contains this video, the reading assignment for Chapter 7, and the PowerPoint presentation for Chapter 7. Next, we have the peer-to-peer discussion organizational structure. First, you're going to search the web to find an organizational chart for a company you are interested in. For the next step, you're going to answer the questions within Step 2, within your initial post. And of course, Step 3 is to reply to at least 3 other classmates. And lastly, you have the Chapter 7 quiz. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to your instructor. Have a great week.